grab a journal or papers to take notes, and then that way if anything comes up, because there's going to be strategy and stuff like that. There's going to be shifts that you need to make. And so I've geared this session around making consistent income and getting you to like at least that 5K months. Like you need to start there, right? So this is a quantum wealth recalibration session. So I'm going to connect with your future self. So the one who's already living the life you're trying to call in, right? So she already knows what aligned money flow feels like. She already holds those codes for overflow and the clarity and the ease, like what steps that you need to take. So I'm just going to bring that energy into the now and connect with your future self. Okay. And your higher self is coming in too. And we're going to just collapse time and recalibrate your frequency and remove anything that's blocking you and just give you some steps and maybe clarity or confirmation on things that you're already doing, right? Okay, so just take a breath and get present and let's open up a portal and see what comes through. Already things were coming through before, like I said, but there'll be more. I'm already getting nudged. I'm just curious because your higher self came through really strong. Okay. Don't overbuild. Don't overthink and just go with it, is what I'm hearing.
That's fucking on point. Sorry if can I say can I cuss?
Yeah, for
Okay.
sure.
That's
Yeah.
on, by the
Yeah.
way.
Okay. So then this is what I was already getting. Yeah. So just get one clear offer, one platform. I mean, you're doing that already. So these are just going to be confirmations, right? Some things. What else? So yeah, one weekly email or post. No. So keep going with the YouTube, keep going with the email. We're going to get into that deeper though later. These are just the things that are just coming up. And doing sessions also, but not overdoing them. Only doing like 5 to 10 max a month to protect your energy because you're all about protecting energy. And make sure to price it something accessible for now to gather feedback. Okay, because they want testimonials. They want you to push your testimonials more. And that's going to build more confidence. And then you can scale up higher after that. But just to get the traction, like momentum moving forward. And then you're going to use these experiences to clarify your messaging because your messaging needs fine-tunement. We're going to get into that too. Okay, so this part I'm hearing is not forever, but it's building that momentum, visibility, and clarity part, that experience. So you're going to use what you learn to grow.
Mhm.
Okay, so focusing on that one clear offer and creating like a signature kind of session that's easy for people to understand, share, and say yes to. And you already have something like that, but the name, like I keep getting, you need to like have like a trademark name of something that they can understand, right? And
Yeah.
is easy to understand, and that's like a fuck yes. And definitely combining the human design insights with the energy clearing is something huge that can help shift stuck patterns. And then it's all about like bringing them back home to themselves and aligning with their unique design. Um, I have some notes, so I'm just going to take a peek. But I'm hearing it's
That's
really important that you don't burn out. Sorry, go ahead.
oh, you're good. Um, what's really funny is some of the stuff you're getting is stuff that I've gotten over the last couple days.
Okay.
So, like, first of all, there was something you used a phrasing. Shit, what was it? I should have just cut you off, but you seemed like you were listening. So,
Yes.
um, there was something you said. Damn it. So I already mentioned to you, yeah, the name hit me yesterday, and I got a new name. And what the reason for that new name was, you need this to be clear. People need to know what they're coming into. So that was
Mhm.
on point with what I've gotten
Mhm.
yesterday.
Yay.
Uh yeah, yeah. Uh shit, I forgot the other one. It'll come back, I'm sure.
Okay. Yeah, just interrupt me because I'm kind of in my own little world.
Okay. Mm.
Let me see. So where was I? And this was a note. Yeah, just not to overburden yourself, but just have like a few sessions a month. Only plan that out. What else? Oh, okay. Like no more than 3 sessions a week for your
Okay.
energy.
Okay. That's what you said that was really funny to me. Um so one of the things I think I want to offer, not right as I open the membership, but I
Yeah.
want to offer a higher paid tier where you get a free monthly, or where you get a monthly clearing with
Hmm.
me. But I already had an idea in my mind, like I need to make it a limited amount of people that can do it, and 10 was the number.
Okay. Hmm.
That's the number that came to me, and that's exactly what you said,
Yeah.
which was just
Yeah. Confirmation. Perfect. Yay. Okay. Yeah, and it's on your time only. So make sure that's a clear boundary and you're not like going beyond that to try and
mhm.
please other people. You're doing it on your time.
Yeah. I mean, it's going to be remote. Like I'm making that the standard.
Okay.
So,
Okay. And but so I am getting though to start like to build okay, because you have some clearings to do around the whole client thing yet, which we're going to
mm,
get into. Um, but to do them, you can do them on Zoom, but just audio because you don't like that.
okay.
Just to build, like, get clients closer to your space so they feel your energy, but you can like talk to them and then just turn off the video, right? And just use audio only. And then they're not seeing you get into your thing. And that's gonna help I get confidence in yourself, but also that client feeling your energy and then moving up next levels to work with you more
Okay.
closely.
Yeah, so the client confidence
Because
too.
you have some walls around you that we're gonna rip down around clients. Okay. But we're
I
gonna
woke up to that.
yeah, you've got two. You've got one like a body wall and like a heart wall. And that's from past, but we'll get into that. Um, but yeah, they need to feel your energy to work more closely with you.
Okay.
But yeah, like you're totally in control of how you show up though. Like, okay, what else? So yeah, just once a week to grow consistently without burnout. So let's say one YouTube video, you could take that YouTube video, turn it into some shorts. You could even send that in emails, like just to get it. What are they saying about emails? Okay, so more storytelling, mini stories, insights, session takeaways. They want you to get the groundwork, I guess, going. That'll give you the experience to be able to talk more about what you do. Does that make sense?
What do you mean groundwork?
Like doing sessions and like working with people more in a
Mm.
protected way.
Yeah.
But I'm hearing like those insights from working with the other people is going to give you what to talk about in your emails and in your YouTube videos. And then
Right.
you'll
Okay.
have stories to tell and share because that's how your clients are going to be able to relate to you
Hmm.
because it's their language that they understand. Um, it builds that trust, I guess. Like in a gentle way and keeps you visible, like all of these things on your own term, but it doesn't drain your energy, they're saying.
Yeah.
Okay, and the membership, yes, that was something that came through, like a subscription or whatever, but they were saying like back burner, you're doing the groundwork, you're doing the sessions while doing this stuff kind of in the background. This is the long-term goal, right? Is to have the membership or the subscription or whatever, but you still need to build the experience, and then that's going to go into the membership when it's ready.